In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on Windows or PC. If you have been wanting to learn how to screen record on Windows or PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Then scroll down to the search bar. Type in sniping tool. Yeah, click on it. Then once it has opened, you tap on this new button, then drag this to your desired choice, right? Any desired choice you want to screen record on your Windows or PC, drag it to adjust the size. So this is it. You can use this, then you click on the start button. Once you have seen the size you want to use to screen record, or once you have seen the size you want to screen record on your PC or Windows, tap on this start. Yeah, once you have tapped on this start, it will start recording your PC screen or Windows screen immediately. So I will do this again. I will do this once more. This is our desktop background, right? Head over to the search box, type in sniping tool. Tap on this new button. Hold it to scale size or desired choice you want to record on your PC or Windows. So if it is this, we have chosen this, then you tap on the start button. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.